how you can use voice search in your YouTube. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now let's start. First, just open up your YouTube. Now make sure first you need to make sure that your YouTube is up to date. Make sure that it's up to its latest version. If not, you can just go to your Play Store or App Store and search for YouTube. Let us do that right now and just search for YouTube and make sure that you've updated it to its latest version. And as you can see, mine is up to date. So just go ahead and tap on the search bar. And after you're on the search bar, what you'll have to do is tap on the mic button on the right side of the search bar. Tap on it and just start humming. As you can see, it has just let us try with the song Uptown Funk. Now as you can see, now it has searched my music for me using the voice chat. And that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to like the video. Bye bye.